What's YouTube? Hey, thank you. All right, boys and girls, we're gonna do a little bike meet and hang out with everybody else. I'm not really in the bar scene, so yeah. All right, I'm back. I am back. I swear it. I swear it. We're going over to the other side of the Gandy Bridge. We are going to meet up with them there. Apparently they swapped sides, and so now we have to go meet up with them. So yeah, we gonna do that. We gonna do that. We are gonna do that. We are gonna do that. We are on some fuck shit today. Yeah. I should have brought a damn belt, but I didn't. So your boy's suffering. Alright boys, let's hit this shit. Absolutely big chillin'! My handlebar or my handle grips are coming in soon, and my shorty clutch is coming in soon also. So we are gonna be zooming and booming as little humans, I guess. What you could say. Mirrors do work. I just don't use them because they fold whenever they fucking go. It's because I forgot to tighten the screw to hold it in place. So, yeah. I gotta do that. Oh, what's up, fellas?
What up?
Say what's up to the YouTubes. Oh, this is fucking trash!
You doing alright?
What's up, dude? Oh, yeah. I'm doing great. And this is the Jixer, dude.
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude? Fucking...
How's the ride home last night?
Do what?
How's the ride home last night?
It was a little sketch. There were kind of cops everywhere, so...
Hey.
So, that shit was kind of whack, but... I'm gonna grab some gas. Just in case.
I got me a new fucking phone, man.
You got a new what?
A new phone, man. I came in today.
Hell yeah. So now you can see where you're going.
It looks stupid.
Yeah. I got the quad lock shit, so I put it in my fork lock.
Shit. I put it from the brake reservoir. This will be a fire pick right here.
Fire pick?
The two Jixers.
Oh, two Jixers next to each other? Yeah. This bitch gotta get some fuel in her. I don't know what we're doing tonight, cause ooh, you know?
Bro, with the ZS10?
Do what?
The dude with the ZS10?
What about him?
He's coming.
Oh, he's coming? Hell yeah.
See him here in like 10 minutes, like 5 minutes ago, so.
We'll see him soon.
He seen somebody right in here in the way, and he said he's coming with that person.
I saw you take off from the other wall.
Shit, probably for like 20 more minutes, bro.
Alright. Well, YouTubes, we will reconvene whenever everyone gets here. Thank you. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Fucking, we're gonna head out and go roll in. We're chilling. We're chilling. I know.
Hey, you know if I'm getting there.
That 50 mile an hour wheelie sucks ass.
Like when I first started running,
That's crazy as fuck.
maybe hop.
I can do first ones, but that's just sketchy as fuck. Yep.
They got bathrooms all down the fucking ways. Yo. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Were you recording when I see my
Yeah.
pop right there?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna need that footage.
I got you, bro. I got that whole wheelie shit too. Yeah. I got your clips and I got some of mine.
So
I need someone to B-roll for me one day though when I get out.
So, like, wait, second gear, try to do around like 40, 50 miles an hour. And,
40, 50?
Yeah, 40,
Because like
50.
mine, when I clutch pop, like when I just drop my
Hey,
clutch
I
and
noticed
I'm like
you
at
hold
like
it.
10, I have to roll it back even more for it to even,
Because you're too high up.
yeah.
You gotta find your power band, it's gonna be lower. So somewhere, somewhere between, like on my 636, my power band was like between
It's that little
6
initial?
to 8. It was like
Okay.
6 to 8, anywhere in there. Like,
Yeah, because I can get him now. Like I was watching you, I was like, okay,
Yeah.
it's that sound difference. Like I was literally like, because
Yeah,
that's
that's
how I learned it. I learned it like, he was like, when you hear it, like, brah, brah, brah,
You hold your clutch too long too.
I do. Yeah, I know.
I was listening.
I do ride my clutch. Yeah.
I was listening while you were doing it. I was like, oh, he's holding that clutch way too long.
Yeah, I gotta change it though.
It's legit, just a quick flick.
Okay. That's why I'm getting my shorty, so I can literally just drop it with my one finger. Cause that's my problem. I have my fucking 2 fingers on it, but it like almost feels too congested, so I can't like flick it out.
You gotta be able to hold on to it.
Yeah, that's facts.
That one finger does it, but you 2 fingers, not hell no.
Yeah, the same way I shift, the same way I pop it, just middle finger, that's it.
Middle finger?
You use middle finger?
That's it, just
I use pointer finger.
Yeah, that's what I do. I do pointer finger. Because I do that with my dirt bike, so it's like, yeah.
It's nice down here.
Yeah, it's real nice.